Huling game para sa MPBL preseason. Sino kaya ang magkakampyon sa laban ng Abra versus Quezon? Ang rookie big man matchup ni Sed Manzano at Drex De Los Reyes.
But you got,
like we said, could have gone either way, each of them. It's in and scores. Abra, De Los Reyes, Ildefonso, a key role in that final series. Pinasahan niya si Manzano.
kailangan may maabutan akong pagkain doon. Oh, nice move right there.
Hype lahat sa dunk ni Dave Ildefonso. May pabaon pang raise the roof Selly.
Ildefonso will slam it home! And now,
At nauwi sa intense at physical ang MPBL preseason finals. Tara at panoodin natin ang full game highlights. Hanggang dulo mga ka-big time.
Perimeter, the paint in front of the sides, and that vision.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Live is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Kes ball game or Alan Manzano. Set.
No, here in Brenzy. And then surely, it's just testament to the basketball passion of the guys. Sobrang talagang, if you talk about dominance, clearly, it's just the Giant Lanterns showing it off. And this guy right here was part of that.
Pagaran who had a key role in that final series. Pinasahan niya si Sed Manzano who slides in and scores.
Short role of Sed Manzano, who I feel really gave them a lot of presence down on the low block.
Ito magandang matchup ito.
Oh, yeah.
Sa ilalim, De Los Reyes laban kay Manzano.
Corner pagdating sa paint points, almost 7 per game, and that's where really he's done his living.
Ganda naman ng pasahan doon. Manzano, Ildefonso with 9 on the shot clock. Ayon, 3-point shot is good.
Well, clearly, a couple of them average 14 minutes per game, and you know that number's gonna go up.
Libre ulit si
Mike
Mike.
again.
And he makes them pay. Back-to-back triples. Hindi matulak. Manzano, umalog palabas, pero nandoon para linisin yung mintis.
I like
9. Manzano with a one-hander.
Cedric Manzano.
Puts it on the floor. Ildefonso, challenged by Macaloni. But it doesn't matter because Opiso left that one short from downtown. Macaloni, the follow-up is good. 6 seconds left. Abra trailing by 2. Elorde forcing it up and in off the glass. Before that put back again by Uduba. As you see this drive by one of the heroes in game number 1 for Ken.
Now, I would have had the same expectations if I'm Coach Eric.
Mintis yung tira sa 3 ni Elorde. Abra has yet to score in this quarter. Before that pass. Ayon. Pass to Dave. Goes inside. Side step. Gets the friendly bounce.
Perfect on that side of the floor between Mike and Dave. And John Abate goes to work right now. And this guy really on the
Bounce pass. Manzano. The flip shot won't work. Uduba the catch. Mario giving up a foul.
na malayo na pala, kaya nung pagkabalik niya, tsaka kuha ka naman na maayos ni Diego. But we'll see if that's excessive or not. The actions on the Huskers. Oh man.
The Weavers making the Huskers pay with that miss.
And points of turnovers. Doon sila bumapawi. Pero again, a rim-running John Uduba. He had to bring a secondary defender in Cyrus Tavi to help out. Oh, that's an offensive foul on Judel. Clearly that
Hahabol ka pala.
Oo naman. Kailangan may maabutan akong pagkain doon. Oh, nice move right there by Sed.
Nakalusot si Sed Manzano.
There's yung mga short roll ni Sed Manzano. Little high-low right there. Good help from the back end. But you gotta contend still with John Uduba inside.
Elorde picking the pocket of Abate. That's the 12th turnover against the Huskers. The reverse layup from Tucker Molina. 5 for Quezon, while for Abra, De Los Reyes, Ildefonso, Elorde, Uduba, and Molina.
Ramdam mo, this is a good matchup right here.
Molina is right now playing as a small forward, locates Raven Gonzalez.
From both the perimeter, the paint, and from the threes. And if you have a big man that's got good handles and that size and that vision, it is tough to cover.
Watch on the weak side. O yun,
Oh yeah.
tinamaan niya si Judel Fuentes.
Recover ng bala, syempre. No?
What a
Nice
pass! Fuentes, set up job to Mike Cañete. Fuentes moving well without the basketball, and now the special delivery to Sed Manzano for
It's a way to make a
double-double for Sed. 10 points, 10 rebounds. Molina lines it up and puts it in from down.
rim protections for the Weavers. Mismatch right here on Dave.
Comes it down low. Gonzalez puts it in. Biggest. Quezon behind by 6. Wraparound pass. Fuentes to Macaloni. Basket and 1.
At saka kung if they've really forced Judel Fuentes, no catch, oh my. Sabi ko, see how tight they guard Judel Fuentes. They are not leaving him room, whether he's on ball. Oh, what a finish by Jason Opi. You know, so far dito sa third quarter, nakaka-4 na 3-point attempts pa lang itong Huskers. Raven Gonzalez on that roll as everybody was
Up by 6. Foul underneath. We go the other way. Offensive foul against Serrano against Pagaran. Using the screen, Ildefonso to Gonzalez. Lista mo na pag ganyang flow. Baseline inbound. Elorde, nahanap si Ildefonso. One-legged jumper. He has mastered that shot. Something. Cañete. Free for a free.
Yeah.
It's good.
time and time.
The fourth.
Oh man.
Another steal. Gonzalez is ahead. And he will lay it up and in.
Dexterity. And his handles going down the floor.
Molina. Nahanap pa ni Gonzalez si John Oduba. And now, Coach Ed Gonzalez trying to find a spark. But they haven't found the answer to Rain.
To patent that high arcing floater. Oh man.
Here we go. Ildefonso will slam it home. Raise the roof.
Finish.
Fast break of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. The thunderous jam by DI, and it's now a 16-point lead for the Abras. Panal under the rest.
Oh, yeah.
Got it off in time. Manzano collects his 11th rebound. Sorry, 14th rebound. Grueling games they had against Quezon. Like we said, could have gone either way, each of them. Had a double-double today. 12 points,
Indeed.
16 rebounds. Abate still finding his way.
Yeah.
Cyrus Rabi as well.
Yeah.
Manansala, who had an impressive
MPBL preseason invitational champions, the Abra Solidnoid Weavers.
his accolades here in the Maharlika Pilipinas basketball.
You don't like that? You don't like NBA basketball?